students, good morning. Today we are going to see the remaining portion of lesson 1. In the last class we saw up to fuels. In Mars we get water from burning fuels. On the earth we used to get water from rain. It was natural and it was free. What do you understand? In earth how we get water? By rain we get water. But in Mars what they are doing? There is no rain in Mars. They are burning the fuels, and from the fuels they are getting water. So they are creating. So that is called as artificial. Here nature provides. So it is called as natural. She said, Grandpa, enough of your stories about the earth. I know that life there was easy, but here survival is very difficult. And Arivu said to Grandpa that to stop his stories. She knows very well that living in Mars is very difficult. What is the meaning for survival? To live, to remain alive. Living in Mars is very difficult, but in Earth it was very, very easy. He replied, Yes, my dear, adapting to Mars is difficult. Today we are fighting for things which we got easily. In Earth we got everything easily. We got water easily, we got food easily. We don't have to spend much. But in Mars, everything we have, they are creating artificially. So they have to spend much amount. So Grandpa is saying, adapting to Mars is difficult. What do you mean by adapting? Adapting means adjusting ourselves. Adjusting ourselves to Mars is difficult. And here we are fighting for everything which we got easily on Earth. He continued, in the Earth, you did not need a spacesuit or an oxygen cylinder. Also, the years are longer here. In Earth, nowadays we are buying oxygen. But before, what we are doing? We got free oxygen. But in Mars, everyone is wearing a oxygen cylinder so that they get oxygen. Also, the years are longer here. The days in Mars is very longer. Arivu said, Yes, Grandpa, in Mars. Go. Arivu said, Yes, Grandpa, in Mars, 668 sols, 687 Earth days make a year. What is this? Do you understand anything? What is the one day is equal to 24 hours on Earth. But on Mars, one day is equal to 24 hours plus 40 minutes. So there is an extra time. For one day to complete, we need an extra time. So in Mars, the days are longer. 667 Earth days make 668 Sol days. He smiled. Haha, yes, you would be 18 years old on the Earth now. As the days are longer, Arivu is below 18 in Mars. But if she lives in Earth, she would be now 18 years old. Grandpa thought to himself, we destroyed our home, the home that nature had offered us. Now we are trying to make this our home. And Grandpa thought to himself that we destroyed our home. Destroyed our home means home denotes Earth. We destroyed our Earth and now we are living in Mars because we destroyed our Earth. Arivu looked at him and said, Don't worry, Grandpa. The scientists are trying to terraform the Mars. Scientist means a person who is expert in science or trying to terraform. What do you mean by terraform? Terraform means, let us say an example. If you want a cold water, what you are doing? You are using a refrigerator. If you want a heat water, what do you do? What you are doing? If you want a hot water, what you are doing? You are using a stove. So you are searching a means. Through that means you are using that. Like that, in Earth we have many. We have fresh air. We have lot of foods, and the scientists are trying to change the Mars as Earth, trying to terraform. Terraform means a process by which the surface and climate would be changed to make the environment suitable to humans. That scientists are trying to make the Mars fit for humans. He said, true, but nothing can be the earth. The earth is a home. Let us leave this for now. Today we should celebrate. Even though we live in Mars, it doesn't match with earth because the benefits that we received on earth is much more. It cannot be compared. So grandpa is saying nothing can be the earth, nothing can be compared to earth. The earth is our home. And grandpa says, now let us leave this and let us celebrate. Okay students, for today's homework you will write in your own words what actions destroy the earth and how will you change it. Write your own answers for this, and in the next class I will give the answer. Thank you students.